Hey guys, I know I've already done unboxing and just want to take a look at this 4K here. I mean, it's only not much to say about this movie. I done a review, but no. I want to take a look at the bonus features. My god, you guys, this 4K sucks. I'm sorry, but this 4K sucks. Even though I don't have the 4K Blu-Ray or the freaking huge TV, but I mean, it has a 4K capability. You can still, but you can only watch it on your Xbox One, and that's a huge disappointment. But I gotta admit though, I do like the 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray menu with audio. But here's the thing that I hate about it. Okay guys, if you go to iTunes, okay, and you will see an audio descriptive. But the Blu-ray doesn't have audio descriptive either. Now if you go to Prime Video, it has audio descriptive. But the 4K doesn't. It just doesn't. And I gotta admit though, I do like this, but I just hate the audio. Like, it's an absolute scam. Not really a scam, but I honestly hate this movie. But not in reality though, I love this movie a lot. Haven't watched the 4K in a long time on my Xbox. But here's a good thing about the 4K disc. It shows you more brighter picture. Well, that's not actually true. But you can see a lot more if you turn up the brightness of your TV. Which I thought it was, but no. But personally, I like it. There goes the telephone. Not gonna even answer it. Yeah. I personally love VT. I love it. But, yeah, never getting the code. Yeah, I had to purchase it in 4K. And boy, oh boy, do the subtitles ever suck. And it's the exact same subtitles as Xbox. But not on this 4K. I gotta admit though, the 4K is nice. Yeah. I still really want Willy Wonka and Chocolate Factory on 4K Ultra HD and do my personal review. And that's the only things that I have to say about this. If you really want audio descriptions, you're gonna have to buy the Prime Video version or the iTunes version. But here's the thing why ET sucks for iTunes. It's just a standalone movie, which is a huge disappointment, and I'm very disappointed. In the 4K, no, it doesn't have it. So, Yeah, disappointed. I would really love to buy Kubo and Cheesestrings in 4K, but they don't freaking have it. I'm sorry, they don't have it in Canada. But I'm sorry, they have a 4K release of, what, Coraline on its 4K? Wait, a 4K case right here? But it doesn't have a freaking digital code in 4K. Now that's just a disappointment. But if you really want it, you can go ahead. But personally, I just love these Swift covers. Yeah, you can feel more texture on it. I personally love these. Yeah. And it's still nice and it still has it. It's getting a little damaged, but it's still in good condition. Yeah, so that's what I had to say about the audio. And apparently I was actually right. Kubo and Cheesestrings is in 4K Grade C by Shout Factory. So, but the only thing, no, it's not in its original Blu-ray version. Like, seriously, it doesn't have the original. Yeah. So that's what I had to say about ET in 4K audio.